Okay, so first of all, let's start from the rear camera. As you can see, we can go from 0.6, which is ultra wide angle camera, into the 100x. This is the maximum zoom in the photo mode. But if you go for this 50 megapixel mode, right now we can zoom in only into the 10 times. It's not possible to zoom much forward. And when you go for 200 megapixel mode, we can still zoom only 10 times, but now we can use ultra wide angle lens. And that's how it looks actually for photos. And if you turn to the selfie camera, you cannot actually zoom in or zoom out. You can only change this view a little bit. We got two options. Now, when you go for the rear camera one more time, we have to go for the video mode. We can go for a video mode, and in the full HD, 30 frames per second, we can go from 0.6 into 25x times. When you go for 60 frames, it's actually the same. When you go for 4K, that looks the same in the 40 and the 60 frames per second. And in the 8K, we can still use ultra wide angle camera, but we can only zoom in up to the 10 times. And right now, what's also very important, that when you go to the front camera, as you can see, we cannot zoom in or zoom out. It's just not possible in any of the mode, even when you go for HD. And now, if you just start recording in that full HD 60 frames per second, you can start changing lenses like you want. It doesn't matter which you're gonna pick. When you finish this video and try to go, for example, for the 4K and start switching lens, is also possible. You can easily do that. Take a look. If we go for 8K, we cannot actually go for that ultra wide angle camera. We can only use a 5x, so this is the first limitation here in the video mode. When you go for the selfie camera and video recording, we cannot zoom in and zoom out. And that's basically everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching.